Okay, hey guys, and today I'm going to be making I'm not going to make slime, like glue slime, I'm going to make slime just with using clay. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that today, okay? First thing, you ready? You're going to need your clay. And cut. Get your things open.
So, you want to be a drastical. Let's see what you got.
So open the clay. Okay, it could be any color clay. Okay, so you got your clay here. It doesn't really have that stretchy texture to it, so you can't really keep it the same, but you can. Okay, I do mine little by little, okay, so you're just gonna rip like a little piece off. You don't have to, you can do the whole thing. Have a ball of glue, okay, have a bottle of glue in here.
Our sports are too extreme for you dudes. Maybe we should start you two on something easier. What games do you dudes like to play?
Oh, I know. How about a little something called
Jump rope.
You mix that in.
Demonstrate.
Ready, Patrick? On your mark. Get set. Jump rope.
Extreme. Hey, who's holding the other end?
I am, of course. Hi, Patrick.
My best friend is SpongeBob. He has a square head. I try on his clothes while
It makes the glue makes it stretchy. Makes it a bit more stretchy.
My face is leaking.
Your face isn't leaking. You're just sweating from all the exercise.
It might be also a little sticky, but that's.
Sign up for this.
See, it's not this. Okay, and you have
Not extreme. Now let the dress show you how it's done. Grab it,
lotion.
Granny.
Slime. And you just mix that
Kick it up a
until
notch.
Right now, guys, it's shimmer lotion, so it's gonna
Yeah. See? Extreme sports should be explosive. Boom.
Explosive, huh?
Okay,
I know
you
just
have-
the thing.
yeah, you have a slime. Yesterday I honestly made some yesterday, and so
No. Look, dudes, to be extreme, you gotta go bigger. Show them
get
drastical.
this video so it's 2,000 likes, and I'll be mixing all of my slimes into one big, humongous slime.
Watch this.
And I have some paint here. So this stuff, I don't want to know what that is. I also have food color, but I don't have no food color, so that kind of sucks. But
Now
this
that's how you do
is going to
extreme. You
stay
understand?
I think I
white
do.
because I
Is
didn't
fighting
have made
extreme?
a white slime.
Fighting is totally extreme.
Okay. So I'm going to end this vlog right here. Comment down below if you have. No, guys. First of all, comment down below if you want to make it. If you don't want to make it, that's fine. You don't have to watch my videos, okay? And if you want to hate, then hate. I don't really care, okay?
That's not fighting.
Okay, so I'm not gonna color this because
Show you how it's done.
I have some other slime here. I have a red slime made out of clay. Blue made out of clay. Green made out of clay. Black made out of clay. And yellow made out of clay. And now, white made out of clay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Comment down below if you tried it before. If you haven't, then you should. It's a good recipe. It's easy to buy.
So what else you got?
Just slime. Look at that. Yeah, it's not really stretchy, but I mean, it's just a good thing to play with. Okay. In this vlog right here, let's get it.